Hey guys, today I'm going to make some steak stir-fry rice. So let's get walking. I found these little New York strip steaks in the discounted meat section for $3 off. So these were $3.47. These are 0.54 pounds. So each one of these steaks is about a quarter pound. So I'm just going to cut one up into little pieces and use it for my stir-fry. Figured that should be about right. I've been trying to cut back on the red meat some since I had a heart attack last year and didn't even know it. So haven't been eating as much red meat, but I'm just going to cut that into smaller pieces. And I also cooked some brown rice in my Instant Pot that I'm going to use for this. In the Instant Pot I just go equal parts water and rice. Alright, let's walk on. Get the stove lit here. And I'll put that on kind of medium heat there. I'm going to use avocado oil. That's what I usually use. It has a high smoke point, 500-degree smoke point. So I'll just start out with a little bit. Sometimes I add more, or actually I usually add more as I go along. Try to use as little oil as possible. Okay, I seasoned my meat with just some salt and pepper, so we'll get that in there. And I had about 3 mushrooms and some shredded carrots. So we'll get those in there. A lot of times when I do stir fry, I just kind of use what I have on hand and kind of clean out the refrigerator. And also I have just regular frozen mixed vegetables. So we'll just pour a few of those in there as well. And we'll just let all this cook for a few minutes. And then we'll add the rice and the rest of the ingredients. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes. I did turn the heat down just a little bit. These are looking pretty good. Now I'm going to add these snow peas and also this green onion and kind of mix that in. I may have to add just a tad bit more oil here just to kind of coat those snow peas. Alright, we'll just let those cook for a minute or so. It's been about a minute and those look good. Now I'm also going to throw in just a little handful of spinach. Let that kind of wilt in. And I'm going to add a little of my brown rice here. The rice will kind of stick, so I'm not going to really stir it around too much. I'm going to maybe just a little bit more. About like that. And I also found this stir-fry sauce that I like. It's House of Tsang classic stir-fry sauce. It's got soy sauce and I think a little bit of sherry wine in it. I kind of like the flavor of this. It's not fishy like some of the other sauces I've tried. And maybe just a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper on top of that. And I'm going to turn the heat off. And I'm just going to let that sit like that and let everything kind of warm up and let the spinach wilt. This has been sitting here for a minute or two with the heat off. Now I'm just going to kind of mix it all together, get everything all incorporated, get the sauce all mixed in. Now we'll grab a plate and try it out. This smells pretty good. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cayenne pepper on top just to give it a little bit of heat. And we'll try a bite of this out. That turned out pretty good. The steak's good in that. Well, look who showed up just in time. Let me see if I can find her a little piece of steak. There you go, Annie. Well, that worked out pretty good using that little steak. My stir fries are a little different every time I do them. I just kind of use whatever I have on hand, but I'll write everything I use in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay out of the drive-thrus.